TileBoi, Part 8, Video 168. The final steps for the get and put functions for our editor. If we want to put a U32, we need to input that U32 with the coordinates that we want to pack it into our pixel array. We're not going to continue with the logic if this ends up being false, and if everything ends up being okay by the time we get down to here, so everything's okay by the end of the function, we are going to take our input pixel, or tile, because we're encoding tiles using pixels, so a tile and a pixel are the same thing here. We're going to take that pixel encoded in a 32-bit number, and we are going to split it up into its individual bytes, and then pack it into the pixel array within the red, green, blue, and alpha locations within that pixel array. For the get function, we need to do the inverse logic. I made a mistake right here, so I denoted a fix. I was a complete idiot. We do not need to input a U32. That is the thing we're trying to get out. And that output is right here. Once again, if OK ends up false, we're going to not do any more logic. So we need to make sure that OK is true all the way to the bottom. And if we're OK by the time we get down to here, we are going to do our extraction logic. We're going to get the red, green, blue, and alpha bytes, shift them into the correct position, and then glue them all together with a bitwise OR to get the output 32-bit integer number, or 4-byte number, that represents our pixel. And down here, we will spit it out. What we did previously, some footnotes, some diagrams we don't have time to go over in this playlist here, our fix, and then what we did in this video. If you want me to explain those diagrams, you can go to this playlist here where we cover things in more length. You can get the source code here, email me here. This has been video 168, TileBoi Part 8. Like and subscribe.